Hi everybody, I'm Brandon. Today we're going to talk a little bit about AWS communities, user groups, and how you can get involved. I'm joined by Jen and Colby. Jen, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Jen Doyle. I'm from One Strategy, and I lead Women in Tech AWS community groups in Seattle and Salt Lake City.
Colby?
Hi, I'm Colby Allen. I'm from ZipWhip. I help co-lead the AWS Engineers and Architects meetup here in Seattle.
Great. Jen, can you tell me a little bit about what the format of these meetups is like?
Yeah, so our meetup is usually 50-50 between presentations from women in tech who are either a funding project they're working on, a particular service or tool that they're checking out and have something fun that they're showing off. And then the other half we do small breakup groups where you kind of do a lot more peer-to-peer sharing and getting inspired what other people are working on or be able to pick their brains and kind of talk more on really specific topics that are interesting you.
Cool. Sounds like a lot of fun. Colby, what benefits can people get by joining and attending the meetups that you run?
Well, I think there's a lot of benefits. I mean, you have, as Jen said, we have technical talks at ours, so you gain that information there. But also the networking that happens beforehand and after. We have a lot of people will come to our meetup with problems or questions for the group and discuss that with people around, bounce ideas off each other, and really, try to figure out the best way to do things and leverage the hive mind that is available there.
Great. Jen, can you tell me a little bit more about the Women in Tech focused events that you run?
Yeah, so we try to drive a women in tech environment where we have our speakers are women in tech who either are working on a really cool new project that they are willing to share or from a company that's doing some really exciting things. And it's really open to anybody. They're free for anything from students to people who are leading teams and just wanting to learn and see what other people are doing. We also have a Slack channel for anybody who shows up or has interest to kind of be able to have more of a networking, peer-to-peer sharing on that side as well.
Great. So there are over 300 AWS communities and user groups around the world. There's probably one happening near where you are. Most of them are run by awesome community-minded folks like Jen and Colby, and they're usually free to attend. So get involved, find the local community that's near you, and you can get started at aws.amazon.com/usergroups. Thanks for joining us.